Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make Notion lead. First, define what a lead means for your specific business or project. Then create a new database in Notion, perhaps named Lead Tracker or CRM. Populate this database with key properties such as lead name, email, company, status, e.g., new, contacted, qualified, and source. This foundational setup is crucial for effective lead management and helps you track progress from initial contact to conversion. Once your database is ready, focus on capturing leads. You can integrate external tools like Typeform or Google Forms to automatically send new submissions directly into your Notion database. For leads gathered offline or through direct outreach, manually add them to ensure all information is centralized. Consider creating a Notion button for quick, standardized lead entry, saving you valuable time. This streamlines your data collection process. Effective lead management involves organization and consistent follow-up. Create different views in your Notion database, such as a Kanban board for status tracking or a table view for detailed analysis. Set up reminders for important follow-up tasks, ensuring no lead falls through the cracks. Document all interactions and progress within each lead's page, providing a comprehensive history for your team. This approach helps nurture leads towards conversion. To truly optimize your lead generation, explore Notion's automation capabilities. Connect Notion with other apps using tools like Zapier to automate data entry or notification processes. Regularly review your lead management workflow to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Small adjustments can significantly boost efficiency and conversion rates. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to help streamline your life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.